This here is my styrofoam shredder I seen on YouTube, where several people were making this type of a machine. I have a bunch of ISO, which is a roof material, which is that product right there. It does have fiberglass in it. But anyway, thought I'd make a machine and see if I can grind up that stuff so that I can make a styrocrete. So I use a trash can, cut the bottom out of it, and as you can see, it grinds that stuff down like nothing. And I hoped to mix it in some cement and come up with an insulated concrete with ISO. So anyway, what I did on the top here is I used bungee cords and of course the styrofoam going all the way around because the stuff does like to leak everywhere. I used a mower. Here's my donor mower. And what I did was U-bolted the handle on so that I can still use the switch. Oh, look at, see how it's blowing out. But anyway, that worked out pretty good. I'm really happy with it. I didn't have to cut and break that portion of the electrical system of the mower out. I did a temporary bag deal here to collect, which is doing it already. Got a pile in there already of foam. And I'm thinking it's going to make a real nice mortar mix or concrete mix.